Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause, cause I'm feeling hella good like I was 10 feet tall. I'm feeling like I'm gifted, I wanna get lifted. So call up those who's from the Ville if they with it. It's a beautiful day, ain't got no time to be wasted. Call me the hood doctor, I gotta see my patients. That music that you're hearing, that could be a medicine. Or maybe that green stuff in the bag, what you think of this? Hey yo Jermaine, yo here's your daily dose. I got these pain relievers fresh from the West Coast, but you gotta be careful, cause they be hella strong. So take one every time you hear this song.
Another day, another dollar in the Ville by the bay. Big Usos gon' holler, little Usos gon' play. Chillin' with the Usos coming from Leone.
And I'm the ice cream man, what more can I say?
Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah. Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again.
So when you sit in the back, brew up a lemonade, seeing the Usos around the block, we yelling soul and chill in the Ville, bringing our own island lyrical feel. We gotta be feeling the chills for real. You dig? Now we're drilling, so start chilling. After last night, forgot the honeys in the building. Pull out the liquors, turn up the speakers. Almost out, so we're about to start another drinking. Now go crazy, now go dumb. It's all about fun till your legs go numb. And then maybe when the night comes, we do it again until the sun comes up. Say what?
Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah. Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah.
It's early in the morning and I'm ready to get it poppin'. Trippin' off the weather, but the Usos ain't stoppin'. We finna get it started, up here on the curb. Grab a couple of brew and we be ready to swerve.
Hit the spot with the Usos.
We be chillin' from the morning till the break of dawn. Chill,
Good times with the Usos.
homies on the rise if you feelin' this song.
Chevrolet handling, y'all really wanna figure out how we handle biz. Pose with a bitch, go around with this. Everybody say you know what time it is, about time it is. Kick back in the Ville with the residents, trying to figure out how much we got to spend. About down to my last dead president. It's all good cause I'm with family and friends. Good times when the folks will ride away. Post up all night till the following day. Spill liquor for the ones who done passed away. Slap hoes with the homies in Swiss space. The music is bumping, the party is jumping, and we gon' keep it live. Cracking in from 9 to 5, from the 684 to the 685.
Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah. Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah. Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah. Chillin' with the homies, night time to the morning. Wake up to a new day, so fresh, so clean, gon' be at it again, yeah.